Hey y'all, it's Lizzie with LizzieandAaron.com, and I'm super excited about this project I'm going to show y'all today. It makes me really excited because we love our pillow projects at Lizzie and Aaron. We have a couple of other pillow DIYs, videos on our Facebook, on our blog, on our YouTube channel, so make sure you check those out. We love a good, simple pillow. So I got these Dollar Tree canvas bags not too long ago, and I knew exactly what I wanted to do with them. They had several different designs. They had the Have a Nice Day, they had the hedgehog right here, they had Just Be You, they have one that says Work Hard, Play Hard, and they're really cute. They're really good canvas material, canvasy material, and I loved them. So we are going to work with the hedgehog one because my daughter's room has like a woodland animal creature theme, so woodland creature theme. So this is the one we're going to work with. This is so easy, you guys aren't even going to believe it. But anyways, we'll start with just taking off the tag, obviously, and it's got two long canvas straps right here, which are nice. And you could go ahead at this point and run an iron over it if you want to. That is completely up to you if you like to do the ironing type things. You'll need like a pillow. You don't have to do anything crazy with this pillow. It could just be any pillow that you have in your house, like a decorative throw pillow. There you go. Decorative throw pillow that maybe you just want to change out temporarily or change up a little bit for, you know, Lord, words are hard. That you want to change up temporarily. That is what I'm trying to say. So you'll just need a pillow, some scissors, and your canvas bag. That's all you need. So we'll go ahead and start. We are going to come up here to the straps at the top and find our center just by pulling it tight like that. And we're going to cut our strap. Cut it just like that. Really simple. I'm going to do the same thing here. Find our center and cut that one. So our straps are cut, and that's all we need to do with that. And then the next thing we're going to do is take our pillow that we're going to use. I'm using this one. It's already has been in her room just like this, but we're going to use it for this little pillow cover. And you're just going to start stuffing. Now, I like for my throw pillows to be a little more full. If you don't like for them to be a little more, to be full, you can use a smaller pillow. Or if you wanted to make this more of a permanent fixture, I'll tell you how you can do that too. But I'm just getting my pillow in there, making sure that it's as straight as can be. And then once I get it in there and everything looks good, just kind of put it out in the corners. I feel like everything looks good. We're going to come to the top right here, and this is where the magic's going to happen. And we are just going to tie our straps at the top. Just like this. I'm going to face it towards me so that I can make my bow hang the right way. We're just going to make a simple shoelace bow. Just like that. And kind of arrange our little straps the best we can. You can make it as small or as big as you want to. You could add some decorative ribbon in there too, if you like. If you want something more than just the canvas straps, I'm just going to use my straps for mine. I'm doing the same thing on both sides. Just making a simple little shoelace bow. Just like that. And that is all she wrote, y'all. There is our pillow. Super cute. It has the little bows on top. And this is our new cute throw pillow. And when we're done with it, we can just take the pillow out, put this away, or you can make it permanent if you like. To make it permanent, you would just want to fill it with maybe polyfill or the insides of an old pillow, and you could either sew or glue with fabric glue, hot glue, your top shut, and then just have your ribbons or your canvas tied as just kind of a decorative thing. But I'm just going to leave mine like that so I can change it out whenever her room changes, which, you know, who knows, as kids get older, that can be more frequent. So here's one we did with the hedgehog. Here's one I made earlier with the work hard, play hard. Super cute for her playroom. Anyways, y'all, this was really easy to do. Anybody can do this. It's almost so simple I feel silly doing it, but I hope y'all loved it. You can find the link to the blog post for this project so you can see more pictures of the pillows all done, or you can see step-by-step written instructions if you need those. You can find those on the blog post that are linked in the description of this video. Make sure you're following us on Facebook, following along on our blog, on our YouTube channel, Lizzie and Erin Flaw to Perfection, and you can find my shirt on LizzieandErinDesigns.com. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day.